Did you know that 90% of startups fail? That's right, 9 out of every 10. Startling, isn't it? But wait, don't be discouraged. The real gem lies in that remaining 10% who turned their failures into stepping stones for success. So how can you join that illustrious 10%? Let's delve into that, shall we? Step 1. Embrace failure. Yes, you heard it right. To succeed, you must first learn to accept failure. It's not a sign of weakness, but an indicator that you're pushing boundaries, trying new things, and growing. Remember, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Step 2. Analyze your failure. What went wrong? Where did you stumble? It's imperative to take a step back and review your actions. It's like solving a detective mystery, where you're both the detective and the mystery itself. Step 3. Learn from it. Once you've identified where you slipped, the next step is to learn from it. Remember the old saying, "Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on me." Well, it rings true here. Make sure you don't repeat the same mistakes. Step 4. Adapt and evolve. Now that you've learned from your failure, it's time to change your strategy. If plan A didn't work, remember there are 25 more letters in the alphabet. Keep going, keep evolving. Step 5. Persevere. Success isn't a one-time thing. It's the result of continuous effort, of falling down 7 times and standing up 8. It's about not giving up, not letting failure define you. And finally, step 6. Celebrate your progress. Every step you take towards your goal, no matter how small, is a victory. So celebrate it. It will boost your morale and keep you motivated. So there you have it. 6 steps to transform failure into success. A roadmap to join that triumphant 10%. Now it's time to put these lessons into action. Don't just sit there and dream about success, act on it. Embrace your failures, learn from them, adapt, persevere, and celebrate your progress. Remember, every great success story has its chapter of failure. Make yours a bestseller. So go ahead, write your success story starting today. It's time to turn the tables on failure.